He'll just run it clean over if he does. That's the fun one. It won't be like it won't be no fender bender, that's for sure. No, it doesn't. It'll just run right into it. Well, you gotta make it back out.
Yeah. He's got friends with other military-sized vehicles.
Really back up a little bit. Oh, he's stalling. Go, go! A lot. Didn't even try.
He doesn't care.
That's cool.
I feel like he is.
I didn't know your Jeep was a boat.
It's not yet.
That thing is fucking whack, man. That bitch is so big, man.
That's a lot going on there, though.
I know.
Watch me feel like a hole down there. He's so bad. He's gone.
Will! Will go by.
Oh, it's getting deeper. Oh.
It's getting deep quick.
Come back up.
That's the most submerged that thing's ever been.
You ain't getting that thing fucking stuck.
No.
What's that thing on? 46s?
47s.
47?
Yeah, it's an 8-inch body lift. No, 8-inch suspension lift, 3-inch body lift.
They should just keep going down. They should just keep going down that way to like all the big rocks.
You're gonna have a blast coming back out of it.
Yeah, because the tires are
You're
wet.
gonna hear it open up for the first time.
Yeah, the tires will be all wet and rock. You have to give it some ball.
Guess whose Jeep he's gonna hit first?
Ah! Bam!
Yeah, pop a wheelie, fucking land on your Jeep, crush it, look like a fucking crushed soda can.
You know, look like something we see down at the buck or some shit.
Nate, if you're gonna do that, you might want to do it now.
He ain't taking to that too well.
I don't think it likes rock color.
It did Rouse Creek.
Not the wet tires.
No, wait, not Rouse Creek.
What's wrong with this passenger tire? Something in the front, dude.
I did?
You're in trouble.
What'd I break?
I don't know, your tires are doing this.
No way.
Hold up.
Way.
It did it again.
Hold up.
You might want to hold it there for a second. That's why you're not making it.
Hey, shit broken.
Yeah, there's something broken.
Yeah, nothing's broken. All the links are together.
Yeah, all the link.
The toe goes in and out repetitively or something broke.
It's
No,
just the wheels
flexion,
bouncing
man.
around.
Shut up,
It's
Jake.
just
Bouncing, dude.
You just get confused looking at it.
You're just retarded.
It's just bouncing.
I don't think you.
I need to get it that way though, so I'm trying to climb this big rock. Just saying, it
Just-
looked like
just
the
crank the
toe
wheel
was
that way,
going
you
in
bet.
and out. I was just like,
Keep it
Oh,
going.
man, no. Don't break Big Green.
just watch it out.
Shit, that'll make a two-wheel drive out of here, no problem.
What?
That'll make a two-wheel drive if you break
Shut up.
anything.
Hook up to him, tow him out.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, okay.
I'll do it.
Just crank it that way. Back
He's
up
got
a
to
li-
get in there first.
Is that what you're trying to figure out how to get? No, he's not. He can get in. Dick.
No, at first he was like, oh man.
Shit, it did really
We're gonna Oh, there we go.
Got it, baby.
That fucking starter, man. Cut it right.
Cut it all the way back.
Yeah. Yeah.